Welcome back. We can start a conversation with Claude by uploading documents that we're going to use in a conversation. We can then ask Claude for a synthesis of this information. So we're going to prompt Claude and we're going to ask for a synthesis and summary of the information. Now, by constructing the prompt the way that we did, we first got the rationale. We actually got Claude to talk about the individual elements of each document. And now we have a narrative summary. What we're now going to do is we're going to use the rest of our documents in order to append this document. We're going to do that by chaining our response to this specific prompt. So we're going to ask for a synthesis and a summary. I'm going to ask Claude to append the information without leaving out any of the information that it did before. We're also going to ask it to think step by step through the entire process. So what we have now done is we have now created one long document with several iterations of documents into Claude. And we are now ready to move on to the next step. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.